Hey, I've got a special package here from our friends over at Valvetronic Designs. This is their valve system for the 2024 and up Mustang GT. With a flick of a switch, you get an entirely different car. What's going on, Team Lethal fans? It's Joe here with Lethal Performance. Today, I've got a special package here from our friends over at Valvetronic Designs. They've sent us over their all-new exhaust system for the S650 Mustang. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and crack this puppy open and show you guys what we're going to be working with here. So check this out, guys. They've got every piece of their exhaust system individually wrapped very nicely with plastic wrap and bubble wrap. I don't think any of this could ever possibly get damaged in shipping, but I will say this is going to be an absolute pain to get all unwrapped and to show you guys what it's going to look like. However, dedication to quality here is unmatched. Now we're talking. Yes. All right, so now that we got everything unpackaged and out of the box here, which I must say took quite a long time because of how well they actually had this stuff packed in there, so kudos to you, Valvetronic. This is their valve system for the 2024 and up Mustang GTs. Now, this should fit a dark horse as well. However, they have personally not put one on yet, so regardless, this should fit your 2024 and up Mustang GT and dark horse. Now, this system here is a full catback exhaust system, meaning that it's going to not mess with any of your emission systems and go from the catalytic converters back. This entire system utilizes 3-inch T304 stainless steel, and with Valvetronic's build quality, this system is going to last a lifetime. Now, just like every other exhaust system on the market, this exhaust system here is a direct bolt-on replacement, meaning there's going to be no modifications that you're going to have to do to your car to make this fit, and it can be returned 100% back to stock without any major modifications. This system is available in both dual and quad tip setups, regardless of whether you guys have the dual tip cars or the quad tip active cars. Now, how that works in the cars that don't have active exhaust, basically it has their own module here and it runs the valves off of a controller and off their own power, so it has nothing to do with the car's active exhaust system. Now, with your quad tip cars, it's basically going to bypass the OEM exhaust valving system and it's going to use a remote control, just like it would with the dual tip systems. Now, that's going to be no issue on the car. You shouldn't throw any lights or anything for that matter, so it should basically just translate it over to where you have to, instead of switching exhaust modes on the dash, you're going to have to use a switch instead. However, Valvetronic prides themselves on their valving system, using vacuum instead of the standard electric valves that come from the factory. So these valves, in theory, should last longer than the stock exhaust valve. Now, it is important to note that you guys who have the dual tip cars, you actually can run the quad tip setup. However, you are going to have to purchase the quad tip diffuser, which is available here at lethalperformance.com. So you can get it all here in one place. The link is in our description. Not only does this exhaust system look better, sound better, and operate better than your stock exhaust system, it's also going to be lighter, at roughly 6 pounds lighter than your stock exhaust system. Now that I've pretty much gone over it, let's go ahead and get this puppy installed on an S650 and let you guys hear how it sounds.
What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and today we're down at RSA Race Solutions in Boynton Beach, Florida, and we're going to be installing the all-new 3-inch stainless steel valve catback system from Valvetronic. This is an all-new system for the 2024 and up Mustang GT for active and non-active cars. Now, this is a valve system. It's not going to be utilizing your own factory exhaust valves. It comes with its own controller and remotes. So let's get this baby on the car and hear how it sounds. Yo, Sugar Shane, you ready? Yeah. Let's do it. What's going on our buddy Jeremy's car? What's up, Jeremy? You're gonna hook it up. You might have some stains on your door handles from my nuts after this, but that's how it goes. I'll tell you what, this is my first time seeing a Valvetronic kit in person, and actually looks really nice. The stainless steel looks like very high quality. The welds look great. I love the fact that it comes with all this cool wiring controller and remotes and stuff like that. So kudos to you guys, Valvetronic. Looks good. Hopefully it sounds badass. All right. First step, Removing the factory catback exhaust system. Shane does this like clockwork. You've done it a couple times, right? Just a few. Get those million screws out for the pan in the back. The tray. Collector of all pebbles and dirt and dust. Man, off she goes. And now we get ready to start assembling the catback portion of the system. What's pretty cool is looking at this pipe over here. This is like their mid pipe. It kind of reminds me, for all you old school Mustang guys, like a Mac Pro Chamber style. Look at that, it's got the two pipes. Almost looks like that H Pro Chamber look to it. And then they've got their mufflers there. So we're gonna get everything together, put the exhaust system up onto the car, and then finish up with the wiring. Catback is installed on the car. Easy peasy for Shane over here. Now it's on to the wiring. We're mounting the controller box and we're start running wires and get everything set up. I can't wait to use those remotes and change the exhaust. Beep, 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 beep. All right, Shane is just wrapping up the exhaust right now. In just a moment, we're gonna lower it down, pull it outside, fire it up, and let's hear how it sounds.
Valvetronic valved exhaust system for the 2024 Mustang GT. Now, these two sound differences are insane. You go from a really quiet, almost below stock sound, and then with a flick of a switch, you get an entirely different car. As you can see, the install wasn't too bad, just a little bit of tubing and a little bit of wiring, but overall, nothing too bad whatsoever for the result you get. I want to give a special shout out to RSA Race Solutions and Shane for installing the system and making quick work of it without any issues. If you guys have any questions or you want to check out the Valvetronic Designs exhaust for your 2024 Mustang, click the link in our description, drop a comment below, or reach out to us at 561-753-8105. This has been Joe with Lethal Performance, and I'm out. Everyone.
This is going on my buddy Jeremy's car. Motherfucking Jeremy Vasilati. All right, ready?